Welcome back, everybody. Up here for my job for Blackstone, filming a bunch of videos in the Rocky Mountains. I had a couple of the kids. We had our friends, Stefan and Allison, and we were crawdadding, caught hundreds of crawdads. We did a crawdad boil, and we made a crawdad grilled cheese. And many of you know my longtime friends, BougeRV. They hooked me up with a 200-watt portable solar panel. I don't know where to start. This thing is amazing. It has a fiberglass finish that's very durable for camping. I can use it to recharge my power station. Right now I'm bringing in between 110 and 115 watts. It's pretty cool. My BougeRV power station has a built-in solar controller, so I don't need to worry about it overcharging. It'll regulate the power coming in from the solar panel. Don't need to worry about it overheating. It has these cool little fold out legs, which allows you to set the panel up on just about any type of surface. A sweet handle, just under 14 pounds. Easy to grab and take with me when we're heading up into the mountains. Charging my camera equipment, charging my phone, charging my Bouge refrigerator freezer, keeping that portable battery topped off. It has changed camping for us so much. I don't have to bring the gas generator anymore. No longer have to bring the cameras into the truck to charge them. I'm not a very technical guy. You can go out to the Bouge website if you want to find out stuff. I wrote down that it delivers up to 25% higher conversion efficiency, whatever that means. It has a cool little zippered pouch that holds the cords and even comes with an 8.2 foot extension cable, fully extended left to right. It's about 88 inches wide and folded up. It's a little square, about 24 inches wide. Pretty amazing stuff, and this has allowed me to go 100% off the grid. The drone shots, the aerial shot at the lake last night, fishing, pulling the crabs, our cold water, all the food that I use to film the videos, the crawdad boil, the Cajun grilled cheese, our breakfast, everything. Really amazing technology. Todd6 is my discount code, TODD6, 6% off anything at BougeRV. Even if they have a sale, you can stack an additional 6% off, so check it out. And you can watch my crawdad cooking videos on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, this is Todd. Thanks for watching. Praise the Lord and pass the power, pass the cold water, pass the adventures in the Rocky Mountains.